40s, 50s, they are loyalists. And also 1870s, they are also fight against the Dutch settlers.
I see. So there was tradition of supporting the movement.
So if somebody strange come to the village,
That evening I bought one with you was.
yeah, together.
And then I
We
was
go to-
taking the milk.
Yeah, together we go to the
Market.
market.
Exactly.
In the evening,
Yeah,
we
yeah,
want to
yeah.
close it. ويكافئ مزيده يا ربنا ولك الحمد كما ينبغي لجلال وجهك الكريم وعظيم سلطانك اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم. Tengku Syih Litiro is national hero of Indonesia. And then the second is his son Muhammad Amin Litiro. And this is Al-Mukarram Maulana Al-Mudir Al-Malik Tengku Hasan. It's nothing, it's only
Okay, I understand. It's okay?